If you are new to Google Ads and you are trying to advertise health-related products or make money opportunities, one of the policies you might violate very often is the unreliable claims. And now I want to explain exactly why that policy is coming up and what you can do to solve the problem. So right now in this account, you can see right here, this particular advertisement is disapproved, and the first reason right here is unreliable claim. By the way, I have 3 additional violations for this particular advertisement. But you might ask, I'm a very experienced Google advertising specialist, so why am I facing all of these challenges on Google Ads? I have to let you know that I do a lot of experimentations on Google Ads, and if I don't have all of these, I will not be able to give you accurate information that can help you run advert on Google without problem. So I do experiment to see exactly what is happening and how I can fix the problem on Google Ads. So right, you can see the first one right here is unreliable claim, and that is exactly what I want to talk about right now. When you are advertising health-related products on Google Ads, there are possibilities that you'll be promising the users of the product certain results. Google don't want this to happen because when you do that, they're assuming that you are promising what is not reliable, and this is because what you are advertising is health-related products. Therefore, Google don't want you to promise people what you cannot ascertain the result, and for that reason, your advert could be disapproved due to unreliable claim. And again, if you are advertising make money opportunities, and maybe you have tested the strategies or tactics and you have been able to make a lot of money from the tactics and the strategy, and now you are trying to advertise that particular opportunities and you are trying to guarantee the result to the users, Google will disapprove the advertisement because the claim is not reliable. And that is why most businesses, when they're selling health-related products or make money opportunities, they have a very strong disclaimer to let users know that the result will be varied, and the result they're showing in their advertisement will not guarantee that they are going to get the same thing when they use or implement whatever the advertisement is talking about. So whenever you see your advertisement and you notice that the advertisement is disapproved due to unreliable claims, the first way to solve the problem is to go ahead and look at the ad text. If you're advertising using videos, then you might have to go ahead and edit the video or make a new video for the advertisement entirely. But if it is text, then you can go ahead and look at the wordings you use in the advertisement text and edit it appropriately. And if you have made some claims in the advertisement text, go ahead and change it and use a much acceptable words in the advertisement and resubmit the advertisement for review. This way, you should be able to pass the approval. However, if you did not pass the approval and you understand that you have done the right thing, then you can go ahead and appeal the decision, and Google will implement another manual review or thorough review that will help them to look thoroughly into the policy that you are violating. And if after the thorough review, they realize that truly you are not violating the policy, the advert will be approved and it will start serving on Google's network. So this is another policy I need to let you know, and now you understand exactly if your advert is saying unreliable claims, you know how to go ahead and fix the problem. That is what I have for you right in this video, and I will see you in another video.